Hi friends, this is a series of Cleanroom Operational Qualification Part 3 Recovery Study. What is the meaning of recovery study? In a cleanroom qualification, this recovery study measures how quickly the cleanroom return its specified cleanliness level after air has been deliberately disturbed. This study is used to verify the effectiveness of HVAC system, air changing rate, and specified cleanliness level of cleanroom. According to the ISO 14644, this study is required only for the non-unidirectional airflow cleanroom because unidirectional airflow sweeps continuously the particle and make it clean. What are the things required for the study? Aerosol generator and calibrated NVPC. The main important thing, polydispersed DEHS, diethyl hexyl carboxylate. This is a chemical compound. Here we are used this chemical to generate the aerosol inside the clean room. Recovery performance is measured by the recovery rate or recovery time. So what is the procedure? First of all, the clean room is challenged with the airborne particle with the help of aerosol generator. So after onwards, we have to measure the particle concentration with the help of NVPC machine at every 1 minute interval. For example, suppose the particle challenge with the concentration of 1 lakh particle per meter cube. Required challenged volume 100x. So 1 lakh divided by 100 is equal to 1000. Here we have to find out the required time from 1 lakh to 1000. So that is a time period is called recovery time. I am showing one image for NVPC data. This is just for an example. Next, we have to calculate the time with this formula. T 0.01 is equal to Tn minus T 100n. Tn is equal to the time when the particle concentration reaches the target cleanliness level. Here that is 1000. T 100n is equal to time when the particle concentration decreases to 100 times from the target cleanliness limit. Here we take an example of 1 lakh. As per the data from the table, Tn is equal to 5. T 100n, 1 lakh we measured at a 0th interval. So 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. So this is a value of a specified clean room recovery rate. And finally, two more important points from the ISO guideline. The particle size used in this test should be less than 1 micrometer. And the 100x time increasing challenge study is not recommended for ISO class 8 and class 9. For that class, 10x challenge study is enough. What is the acceptable limit for this recovery study? Industrial standard dictates the limit of recovery study for the clean room from 15 to 20 minutes. I hope you all understood about that. So this is a way to calculate the recovery study for the clean room. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for future videos. Bye.